Hey everyone, if Mint Mobile isn't connecting to the network, I'll help you fix it quickly. Let's jump right in. Why Mint Mobile not connecting to network? Weak or no coverage in your area prevents call from connecting properly. Software glitches or outdated operating system may disrupt call functionality. Improper SIM card insertion can lead to connectivity problems. Invalid APN settings, SIM card damage, SIM replacement is required. Fix 1. Check coverage. Checking coverage confirms signal availability. Moving to an area with a better reception can help resolve call issues caused by weak or no signal. Go to Mint Mobile coverage map page, input your address or location, make sure you have enough coverage in your area. Ensure your phone has a sufficient signal strength. Fix 2. Check for balance. Checking balance ensure active service as insufficient balance can block incoming calls. Method 1. Using Mint Mobile app. Log into your Mint Mobile account using the app on the main dashboard and scroll down to see plan details and expiry date. Method 2. Using website. Find My Plan tab which displays your balance and expiry date. If it is not active, recharge now to continue the service. Alternatively, type balance to 6700 to receive plan details and expiry via text message. Manually register on network. Selecting Mint Mobile's network manually bypass automatic detection issues, ensuring the device connects to the correct carrier. To manually select Mint Mobile network on iOS, go to settings, then cellular, then go to network selection. Then toggle off automatic and choose the Mint Mobile network from the list. On Android, navigate to settings, then connection, then go to mobile networks. Then Mint Mobile, turn off, choose automatically and select Mint Mobile manually. Fix 4. Restart your phone. Restarting clear temporary glitches and reconnect your device to the network, often resolving connectivity issues caused by software or network conflict. Fix 1. Restart your phone. Improper SIM placement can prevent activation. Reinserting ensure the SIM is correctly seated, allowing the phone to detect and connect to Mint Mobile's network. For Android, press and hold the power button or a volume up and down until the restart option appears and tap restart. If the device is unresponsive, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10 seconds to force a restart. For iOS, hold the sleep or wake button until slide to power off appears, slide it off and press the sleep or wake button again to restart. Alternatively, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Fix 2. Perform a network reset on your phone and enable call forwarding. This will erase saved Wi-Fi, password and Bluetooth pairing but can resolve caller setting issues. On Android, open settings, tap system or general management varies by device. Then select reset options or reset, tap reset network settings, confirm and reset your device. On iOS, open the settings app, go to general, then transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset to choose reset network settings, enter a passcode and confirm. Fix 6. Remove and reinsert SIM. Removing and reinserting the SIM card re-register your device on the network, which can resolve issues related to improper SIM replacement or temporary registration errors. Power down your device. Use a SIM ejector tool or a paperclip to take out the SIM tray. Carefully take out the SIM card, check for any visible damage and clean it softly. Put the SIM card back into the tray and reinsert it into your phone. Switch on your phone and verify if the problem is fixed. Fix 7. Update APN settings. Correct APN settings are essential for connecting to Mint Mobile's network. Manually updating them ensure your device is configured correctly for calls, text, and data. For iOS, open settings, go to mobile data or cellular data, then go to mobile data network or cellular data network, then tap on APN and the APN details. Select done to save settings, then restart your iPhone. APN settings for iOS, APN wholesale and MMSC http wholesale.mms mvno.com/mms/webanc leave the other fields blank. On Android, open settings, go to network and internet or connections varies by device, then go to mobile network, select the SIM access point name, tap the plus add button to create a new APN, save the APN and enable it. Name Mint APN Wholesale MMSC http wholesale.mms mvno.com/mms webenc. Multimedia message port 8080, APN type default supple MMS-IA, APN protocol IPv4 or IPv6, APN roaming protocol IPv4 or IPv6, MVNO type GID, MVNO value 756T. Leave the other fields blank. Fix8 contact Mint support. If still unable to contact to network, contact Mint Mobile support for assistance or request a replacement SIM card if needed. Call Mint Mobile support for assistance. Dial 1-800-683-7392 for assistance. To replace SIM using app, sign in and click accounts. At the right bottom of the screen, scroll down to SIM cards and click order replacement SIM. Select your SIM type, physical SIM or eSIM. For a physical SIM replacement, you have to pay $9.95. Click checkout and complete the purchasing process. Once received the SIM, insert a new SIM into mobile and you will see the issue resolved. Using website, log into your account online. Scroll down to support and click replace SIM. Provide your required details and pay $9.95 to complete purchasing process. If you want eSIM, the option is only available in app. Once received the SIM, insert it into your mobile and check for the issue. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.